It is now 5 minutes to 12 o'clock. I'm still doing my laundry. I just had this ice cream. I still have this unwashed. And I'm hungry again. But yeah, I don't have food. This is what I have. I have this spaghetti. This macaroni. Even here in the fridge, I don't have. Oh, this needs to go. No more egg. I still have this lamington. It's been a week since I did my shopping, my grocery. But actually in here, oh, this dirt. But actually in here, I have this ice cream. This is actually a chicken, roasted chicken. Oh, I'm going to make a soup. The Filipino macaroni soup. But let me wash this first. Water. I'm not going to use this. I actually still have this macaroni. I actually have some carrots, so I'm also going to put some carrots. And cabbage, I also have cabbage. But later the cabbage. And look, the weather changed. Yeah, the sky is now covered with clouds. So maybe there will be a rain tonight. Yeah, good thing I still have this milk. Okay, it is ready now. Look at this chicken. And look at that. Yeah, the sky is blue again. Amazing. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I end up not going anywhere. It is now 4:30 and I just pick it up from the outside. I'm going to fold it later, but I'm going out now. Yeah, we're now out here. I'm just going to drive around, going to watch the sunset first and then grocery. Oh, there's so many cars. Okay. It is now already 4:47 and yeah, after an hour or 30 minutes it is going to be dark. Yeah, but we're going to see the sunset in the Soldiers Point area. Oh, this old model of Jimny. Nice. And we are now here in Soldiers Point, and I don't know if it is okay to park in here. Yeah, this is just here in the side. It is beautiful in here. Look at that. Yeah, so basically there is kind of a GT, and this is the view. Really nice. They put some tables like this, and that is the Soldiers Point Marina. As you can see, there are many boats and yeah, yacht over there. And at the moment there are some people over here. Yeah, some of them yeah, one of them is taking a video with the camera, maybe kind of time-lapse, but she's using the professional camera, DSLR. And over here, yeah, residential. Actually, maybe these are some kind of Airbnb. Yeah. And I remember the last time I went here before, this one was still on construction, but now it's fully yeah, it's done perfectly beautiful. Yeah, very calm, peaceful, amazing. And actually along the way, yeah, driving from yeah, from the main road to here, I see the other side of the water. It's more beautiful actually, but I don't know where to park. That's why I end up here. more colorful over there because oh, where is actually the sun? Where is the sun? Yeah, where is the sun going to set down? Maybe on that side? Or maybe somewhere over there hiding? That's really quick. The sun is gone already. I think I made a mistake of parking over there because just now I saw that there is a car going inside the house. Yeah, in front of the house where I park. The afternoon. I don't know what is the purpose of this. Maybe just for fun. Yeah, people collected the woods and just put there. Yeah, maybe kids. I'm not really sure. Yeah, but I was thinking of a bonfire maybe. Actually, it's not. You can't just go inside because there is kind of a gate. Okay, I don't want. We are going back, and we are now here in the launching area of the boat. There is other word aside from launching. And there are some people. Yeah, they are fishing over there. Yeah, just in front of their car. Really nice. They are also drinking a little bit of alcohol. And you know, this car park is only for the cars with the trailer. Oh, he's going to collect his boat. Yeah, that's the one over there. In the camera, it's actually bright, but in actual here, it's dark already. In the coming days or yeah, in the future, I'm also going to buy a fishing license, and I'm going to fish. I don't know when. And we are now here in the Salamander Bay Shopping Square. It is incredible that there's so much car this time. Look at that, the parking space. Yeah, maybe the people are on vacation, holidays, because today is Saturday. Yeah, so maybe they are out of town. And I always carry this now whenever I'm going to the grocery. This bus is going to open here soon. And you notice that most of the shop closed already. Yeah, they close 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Compared to Asia, particularly in the Philippines, yeah, the shopping center usually close by 9 o'clock. I'm going to get one of these muesli. Yeah, this is just $3.99. You see this Woolworths bag, and I was actually hesitant to put the things that I am taking here. Yeah, because you know, some people are not open-minded, so I basically asked the guy over there, one of the crew here, and yeah, he said that, yeah, you can put. Yeah, good. It's better to us to be sure. So I'm going to get 2 of this tuna. Yeah, this is $1.19. This yeah, 89 cents, 95 grams. Well, this one is 185 grams, 119. And there are actually other more that are bigger, $3.69. I think this size is just enough for me for like 2 or 3 meals. And I wanted to buy everything that I am going to eat this week here in Aldi. And I'm going to get this one. This is sweet soy and garlic. Yeah, stir fry sauce. And this is just $2.99. And because of that, I think I also need this one. Yeah, Asian noodles. And this is just $1.79. This is one of the best things that I like here in Aldi. Yeah, they have a kind of weekly special, and so it is a different thing every week. Yeah, in the middle usually, like this one, they have this yeah, sleeping bag. This is $129. Expensive, huh? And there are so many other things, and they even have this yeah, pasta machine. I'm also getting this Yeah, resealable snack bag, sandwich bag, some kind. Just 159. And I also going to take this yeah, minced pork. This is just $3.99. 500 grams. I'm also going to get one of this coleslaw, $1.99. This for the noodles. I'm going to take one of this black pepper. They don't have the regular pepper, so I'm going to take this one. This $2.79. And I'm going to get this egg. This $3.99. Cheaper than Woolworths. I almost forgot that I also need the lemon. Yeah, this is just $2.79. 5 pieces. And I'm also getting this hot dog. Yeah, Pranks. This $2.29. And last time I bought something from here. I don't remember if this is the cheese onion, barbecue, or yeah, I take this cheese onion, or maybe the original potato chips. Yeah, cheese onion. This is just $1.99. Oh, look at this. It actually a lot, but it costs just $33.62. And most of people go to Woolworths, Kohl's, yeah, because there are a huge selection. There are many choices. But in Aldi, less choices, but they are so much cheaper. Yeah, at the moment we are here in the near the beach. Yeah, actually in front of the beach, and there are some people there. They are fishing, like a kids family, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm actually uploading a video. Yeah, that's my computer. It's just there, and my grocery is still over there. Yeah, basically coming from the grocery, I go straight here and had this yeah, I eat this already, some of this, and doing Facebook. And just now I got home. It is already 8:37, and I actually received a message. I'm going to read it to you. I'm not going to mention your name, but yeah, you know who you are. Yeah, and he said that, love your videos. I just seen you park up, was gonna say something, but I was too nervous. Yeah, he said like that, but yeah, actually, yeah, thank you. If you approach me, it is going to be my pleasure feeling, you know. Thank you very much.